Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT vehicle safety system. So in this project we are going to implementing the IoT technology to the Node MCU and Blink app. So here the main applications are it will detect the high speed as well as alcohol detection and also accident detection, and also if is there any emergency detected inside the vehicle, then if a person press this switch, then automatically it will be intimated to the Blink app and will get the location also directly mapping on the Blink app. So here the four features of high speed, alcohol, accident and switch as well as location alerts directly will be sent to the Blink app through the IoT. So here the sensors, as we discussed, alcohol sensor interfaced at the A1 pin, and the switch is interfaced at the A0, and accident sensor which is achieved by the MEMS ADXL 345 is a sensor so which can detect the directly accidents, not tiltings. Generally the vehicle tilting also will be detected, but here we are going to detect the tilting along with accidenting, like whenever the another vehicle hit this vehicle in front, from front side or directly very hard hitting, then automatically it will be detected by this MEMS ADXL 345 and it will intimating to the Arduino Uno. So here the MEMS is interfaced at the A4 and A5 as it is a SDA SCL pins of Arduino Uno board, and the GPS is interfaced at the 10th pin of the Uno board, as well as Node MCU interfaced at the hardware TX pin, the transmitting pin from the Uno board to that system, and LCD interface at 2227, and the relay we are going to control this vehicle through this relay. So relay will act as an ignition controlling switch, and we need to connect the 9 volts battery here, then this motors will rotate and it will presenting the vehicle movement, as well as we will get the audible alerts through the buzzer which was connected at the 13th pin. So before switching on the kit, we need to do some initializing steps in our phone. So we need to enable the hotspot with the name of project 4489 without any capital letter, without any space, very important, and the password should be 1234567889, and then hotspot on, then data on, then only kit on. So here, so for hotspot settings, just go to your phone settings and personal hotspot, then you can change the settings. So as I enable the hotspot in my phone already, which I am taking the video from the phone, and then after you can log into your Blink app with the given credentials. So like install the Blink app and then just log into the Blink app and open the Blink app. So you can see the already designed application inside the app. So this is the actual previous location. Whenever it is showing the red mark, so the kit is offline, so it's not connected to the internet. Now we need to provide the supply. So here we need to provide the two power sections. One is for the Arduino Uno section and another is for the ESP Node MCU. Right. So after switching on that, the relay will get switched on and we can connect the battery here, then the motors will rotate. Okay. So now we can see the Blink app and it is online now. So now it is showing 00 because the GPS doesn't get the signal. Once the GPS get the signal, there will be a light indication on the GPS, as well as we can see the live latitude longitude values on your LCD screen. So meanwhile I'll explain you the connections. So here we are going to control this DC motors through this relay. So here we are using electromagnetic relay, so which is connected, as we discussed earlier, it is connected at the 12th pin of the Uno board, and this one is going to be the breadboard. So in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply and also to get the input from the push button, we designed this board, and as well as next LCD, as we discussed, 2227, and here is a potentiometer to control the contrast, and a GPS module we are using a Neo GPS, and here right, the light is blinking now, we can observe. So now later after some time we will get the live location on the LCD screen, as well as it will be sending through your Node MCU to the Blink app. Right, as previously it is showing 00, that's why it's showing somewhere on the 00 latitude longitude values. Once it is updated, so we can get the live location. Right, now we can observe that the light is blinking on the GPS, blue light, as well as live location monitored on the LCD. And now we can go to the blink app there directly, right? The pointer moved to the live location. So there we named it as vehicle. You can just click on that. You can see that the vehicle, and it's live tracking directly whenever the vehicle is moving. So we can get the live tracking, right? So there we are. This is our HVS Technologies address near the Amiripet. And now, so if is there any like abnormalities, as we discussed the 4 abnormalities are there. So now let us see that if we emergency switch pressed. So now we can see that whenever we press the switch, then there will be an indication on your phone. So red light is occurred, you can see that emergency alert, and the motor will be off. Okay, this is switch based. And another is so alcohol sensor. So let us see that alcohol. This system will give the alert to us without any app opening. And now coming to the alcohol, we are going to give the like our sanitizer input to the system, right? Whenever the alcohol detected, we can see on your phone application the red light is indicated is alcohol detected, right? We can see the notification also alcohol detected. Okay, and accident, coming to the accident, whenever, right, so it will detected hard hits, then you will get the accident alert notification also. The high speed also will be alerted, but thing is it should be movable, then only we will get the speed from the GPS, because the GPS will provide the PVT, that's position velocity time, and from there we are going to get the high speed alerts, and it will be indicated on your blink app like previous alerts like switch, alcohol and MEMS alerts, right? Thank you.